Shalom. My name is Joseph Good, and I'm a teacher of the Torah and the Tanakh. I've been teaching for about 40 years. Now, I have many people that I meet that come up to me and tell me they're frustrated, that they want to be able to read the Torah, to read the Tanakh in Hebrew, but it's like this impossible dream for them, that they're not good with languages, that it's just hard to learn and everything. I say, well, don't worry. Okay, I've got the answer. It's something that I've been using for years and years and years, and I love this program. It's called Word by Word. In fact, there's a Word by Word CD that you can get for every single book of the Tanakh. You can get for the Siddur, for the prayer book. You can get for the Haggadah. It's tremendous. It's a whole set that you can buy, but you can get just the singles, and they're very affordable. Now, what's so great about the Word by Word? Well, let me show you. This changed my life. Here we have Word by Word Genesis, or the book of Bereshit. Now, right up here, I'm able to pick my chapter, so I could scale down. I could pick whichever chapter. We're just going to work here in chapter 1. Now, you see how that we have the first verse. This is verse 1, and we have the first word is highlighted in blue. Okay, so it's Bereshit. Now, watch this. I can click on this little speaker here, and I can hear an Israeli pronounce the word, so I can see how to accent the word. Okay, so also we have down in our left hand at the bottom, it says in beginning. And then we have a transliteration of this word, Bereshit, and we have verse 1, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. So I can move it over, and so it says bara, created, and it gives me how to pronounce it. Elohim et hashemayim ve'et haaretz, okay? And then I can scroll down and go to verse 2. Here's what I tell my students, okay? Read through chapter 1. But I tell them, don't go to chapter 2 until you go to the study mode. The study mode, this is the genius of the program. Okay, so that's going to be down here under general review. Either read it off the computer. I like reading off the computer because it's big, where I can see each of the vowels and so forth, and I can see all the various accent points, everything.